Mappa, you have me over here refreshing like crazy. Okay, so this is the earliest I've ever been to a release before. 7 minutes ago, they just uploaded their opening and the closing for Chainsaw Man. So we're gonna watch them both and then get ready to watch the actual episode. So let's jump straight in. I'm ready. All right, buckle up. A little panning shot. You can already tell this song's gonna be a bop. Oh my god. Ooh, big cast. 1 to 10. Oh, she's feeding him popcorn. There's power. So love interest. Oh my god, the way it comes out of his face. We're gonna see some crazy shit in this anime, I can just tell already. Like, I'm genuinely excited to meet everybody. That's insane. Oh, they look so fun. All right, let's jump straight into the ending. Grabbing up that chainsaw. Such an interesting premise, though, you know? Sticking with the rock genre as well. Oh, God. I love how his dog is even a chainsaw. Oh my god. It just looks so gory. I love it so much. Ooh. Oh. If anything happens to the dog, I'm killing somebody. Oh. You always have to have the cute pet. Oh. I'm so ready for this anime. I mean, hell, I don't have to wait too long. It's 8:44 now, so well, 8:45 now, so it comes out in 15 minutes. So it's gonna be a good time. Crunchyroll, you better be on time. But god, man, this is gonna be a fun series, I can tell. Apparently it's supposed to be what, 12, 13 episodes, something like that. So I don't really mind the length as long as the quality and the actual story's good. Then hell, it could be 10 episodes, but I don't mind it. It's better than nothing, you know what I mean? So it should be a good time. But either ways, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare for the actual episode itself. You guys have a great rest of your day/night, and I'll see you later. Subscribe.